Hi, I'm Pot. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the ultimate guide to making money online in 2024. If you're ready to discover the best strategies to boost your income, stay tuned. The internet has opened up countless opportunities for making money from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or build a full-time business, the possibilities are endless. First up, freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer a wide range of freelance jobs, from writing and graphic design to programming and digital marketing. To succeed as a freelancer, focus on honing your skills and building a strong portfolio. Make sure to deliver high-quality work to your clients. Specializing in a niche where your skills are in high demand can help you stand out and command higher rates. Networking is key. Building relationships with clients can lead to repeat business and referrals. Also, make use of social media to showcase your work and attract potential clients. The traditional 9-to-5 is no longer the only option. People are breaking free from the constraints of conventional employment, exploring new ways to balance work and life. The digital landscape offers a wealth of opportunities for those willing to put in the effort. From freelancing and remote work to e-commerce and digital marketing, the avenues for online income are vast and varied. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time online business, the possibilities are endless. You can turn your passions and skills into profitable ventures, reaching a global audience from the comfort of your home. Working from home offers unparalleled flexibility. You can design your workspace to suit your needs, set your own schedule, and eliminate the daily commute, giving you more time for the things that matter most. Imagine setting your own hours, being your own boss, and having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. This is the dream that many are now living, thanks to the digital revolution. This is the reality for millions of online entrepreneurs. They have harnessed the power of the internet to create thriving businesses, enjoying the benefits of autonomy and financial independence. The potential for high income is another major draw. Online businesses can scale rapidly, allowing for exponential growth and significant financial rewards. Unlike traditional jobs with limited earning potential, online businesses can scale to generate substantial revenue. With the right strategies and dedication, the sky's the limit. The barriers to entry for online businesses are lower than ever. You don't need a large capital investment or a physical storefront. All you need is a good idea, a laptop, and an internet connection. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can access a global marketplace. This connectivity allows you to reach customers and clients from all corners of the world, expanding your business potential exponentially. This has led to a surge in online entrepreneurship, with people from all walks of life finding success in the digital realm. From tech-savvy millennials to experienced professionals, everyone is tapping into the digital gold rush. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, presenting new opportunities for innovation and growth. Staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. The key is to stay ahead of the curve, adapt to new technologies, and continually learn and refine your strategies. Online courses, webinars, and digital tools are readily available to help you enhance your skills and knowledge. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or simply looking for a career change, there's an online opportunity waiting for you. The digital world is vast and full of potential, ready to be explored and harnessed for your success. Another great way to make money online is by selling digital products. These can include ebooks, online courses, printables, and software. Platforms like Etsy, Udemy, and Gumroad make it easy to create and sell your digital products to a global audience. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable products that solve a problem or fulfill a need for your target market. Research what your audience is looking for and tailor your products to meet those needs. Promote your products through social media, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers to reach a wider audience. Offering free samples or limited-time discounts can also drive sales. Cryptocurrency investing has become increasingly popular in recent years. While it carries certain risks, it also offers significant potential for high returns. Start by educating yourself on the basics of cryptocurrency and the market trends. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance provide user-friendly interfaces for buying, selling, and storing your cryptocurrencies. Diversify your investments across different cryptocurrencies to mitigate risks. Follow news and updates about the crypto market and consider joining online communities and forums to stay informed. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose and be prepared for market volatility. There you have it, the ultimate guide to making money online in 2024. From freelancing and affiliate marketing to selling digital products and cryptocurrency investing, these strategies can help you boost your income and achieve your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Pot V1 for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Freelancing has emerged as a popular way to earn money online, offering flexibility and control over your work life. It allows individuals to leverage their skills and expertise on their own terms. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or virtual assistant, freelancing provides a platform to showcase your talents. There's a growing demand for your services in the online marketplace, with countless opportunities waiting to be explored. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide, bridging the gap between talent and opportunity. These platforms offer a convenient and secure way to find work and get paid, ensuring that your hard-earned money is safe. Upwork, a leading freelancing platform, allows freelancers to create detailed profiles showcasing their skills, experience, and portfolio. This helps clients understand your capabilities and choose the right freelancer for their projects. Clients post projects with specific requirements, and freelancers can submit proposals outlining their approach and fees. This competitive process ensures that the best talent is matched with the right projects. Fiverr, on the other hand, takes a more gig-based approach, with freelancers offering their services starting at $5. This model allows for quick and easy transactions, making it accessible for both freelancers and clients. To succeed as a freelancer, it's crucial to identify your niche and specialize in a particular area. This specialization helps you become an expert in your field, making you more attractive to potential clients. Standing out from the competition is essential. By honing your skills and focusing on a specific niche, you can attract clients who are specifically looking for what you offer. Building a strong online presence is essential for attracting clients. Your online persona is often the first impression potential clients will have of you. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your work and testimonials from satisfied clients. This not only highlights your skills, but also builds trust with potential clients. Networking is key in the freelancing world. Building relationships with other freelancers and industry professionals can open doors to new opportunities. Connect with other freelancers in your niche, attend industry events, and participate in online communities. These interactions can lead to collaborations and referrals. Engage with potential clients on social media. By delivering high-quality work, meeting deadlines, and maintaining open communication, you can build a strong professional reputation. Providing excellent customer service is crucial. Satisfied clients are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend you to others. You'll build a strong reputation and attract repeat clients, which are essential for long-term success in the freelancing world. Repeat clients provide a steady stream of work and can become your most valuable asset. Long-term success in freelancing requires dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to market trends. By staying updated and consistently delivering quality work, you can establish a thriving freelance career. Affiliate marketing has become a lucrative online income stream, allowing individuals to earn commissions by promoting products or services of other companies. By partnering with brands and driving traffic to their websites, affiliate marketers can generate passive income while providing value to their audience. Amazon Associates, one of the most popular affiliate programs, allows website owners and bloggers to earn a commission on qualifying purchases made through their unique affiliate links. ShareASale is another reputable affiliate network that connects merchants with a vast network of affiliates. Affiliates can browse a wide range of products and services to promote and earn commissions on successful referrals. Choosing the right affiliate products or services to promote is crucial for success. Focus on products or services that align with your niche and are relevant to your audience. Creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience is essential for driving traffic and generating affiliate sales. Instead of simply pushing products, focus on educating your audience and providing helpful information. Building trust with your audience is paramount in affiliate marketing. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and only promote products or services you genuinely believe in. By recommending valuable products and being upfront about your affiliate partnerships, you'll establish credibility and increase the likelihood of conversions. The digital age has opened up a world of opportunities for creators to monetize their knowledge and expertise by crafting and selling digital products. This shift has empowered individuals from various fields to share their unique skills and insights with a global audience, breaking down traditional barriers to entry. Ebooks, online courses, templates, and software are just a few examples of digital products that can generate significant income. These products not only provide value to consumers, but also offer creators a scalable way to earn money, as digital products can be sold repeatedly without the need for physical inventory. Etsy, known for its handmade and vintage goods, also provides a platform for creators to sell digital downloads such as printables, templates, and design assets. This allows artists, designers, and crafters to reach a wider audience and diversify their income streams by offering digital versions of their work. Udemy has emerged as a leading platform for creating and selling online courses on a wide range of topics. From coding and graphic design to personal development and business skills, Udemy offers a marketplace where instructors can share their expertise and learners can access high-quality education from the comfort of their homes. Instructors can leverage Udemy's platform and marketing reach to connect with a global audience. This global reach means that your course can be accessed by students from different countries and backgrounds, providing a diverse learning experience and increasing your potential for earning. Gumroad offers a simple and user-friendly platform for creators to sell digital products directly to their audience. With features like easy payment processing, customer management, and analytics, Gumroad makes it straightforward for creators to focus on what they do best: creating valuable content. Identifying a profitable niche is crucial for digital product success. This involves understanding your target audience's needs and preferences, as well as analyzing market trends to find areas with high demand but low competition. Research popular topics in your field and identify gaps in the market that your product can fill. By addressing these gaps, you can create a product that stands out and meets a specific need, increasing its chances of success. Creating high-quality, valuable content is essential for attracting buyers. This means investing time and effort into developing your product, ensuring it is well-researched, well-designed, and provides real value to your audience. Whether it's an ebook packed with insights or an online course that provides step-by-step guidance, ensure your digital product delivers on its promises. High-quality content not only attracts buyers, but also encourages positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals. Marketing your digital product effectively is essential for driving sales. A well-thought-out marketing strategy can help you reach your target audience and communicate the value of your product. Utilize social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your target audience and promote the value of your product. Engaging with your audience through these channels can build trust and establish your authority in your niche. Offering excellent customer support is crucial for building a loyal customer base. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and recommend your products to others. Respond promptly to inquiries, address any issues, and provide ongoing support to ensure customer satisfaction. By maintaining a high level of customer service, you can foster a positive reputation and encourage long-term success for your digital products.